Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you how to easily separate the sunflower seed from the head, and it can be done in less than 1 minute. And this one here is the giant mammoth sunflower. First thing first, you have to clean the head so that the sunflower seed that we collect is cleaner for our storage. You can just easily slide your hand on top of this sunflower head and it will easily come off. So the secret to this harvesting a sunflower seed is just the stick. So just take a stick and hit the sunflower head as hard as you can, and the sunflower seed will easily fall off from the head. So the stick that I use here, as you can see, there's a nail at the end of the stick. Now this one is optional. You can use the nail at the end of the stick to clean the edges of the sunflower if you desire, like I'm going to show you here. So you just scrape the edges of the sunflower, or you can also just leave it be. In my case, I have chicken. I'll just throw the sunflower head in the chicken run and they will clean it for me. So this is all the sunflower that I did today. There are 12 big sunflower and all of them are giant mammoth sunflower, and I like this type because it gives me a lot of sunflower seed. So these are all the seed that I got from this 12 big head of giant mammoth sunflower. So this one I will spread it and let it dry in the sun for a few hours, and it's ready for storage for my chicken in the winter.